All right, let's dive right into another episode, shall we? We're going to cut through the noise and get to the heart of how AI and automation can truly transform your business. This isn't about chasing the latest tech trends or getting lost in the hype. It's about understanding AI as an integral part of your business infrastructure, like the foundation of a building, not just a shiny new tool to play with. Now, if you're an operator or an executive, you've probably already dabbled with AI tools. You've seen the demos, heard the promises, and maybe even felt the sting of disappointment when they didn't deliver. The truth is, most businesses misuse AI because they see it as a shortcut rather than leverage. They think it's a magic wand that will solve all their problems overnight. But here's the reality: AI should be thought of as decision architecture. It's about creating a system that enhances your decision making, not replacing it. Let's set the stage with a fundamental insight. AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to replace human dependency. Think about that for a second. It's not about doing the work for you. It's about building a framework where you're no longer the bottleneck. Imagine AI-generated dynamic creatives in 2026, where multimodal AI crafts and optimizes visuals, text, and videos contextually. This isn't just about creating content, it's about capturing micro intents across channels seamlessly. It's about being everywhere your customer is with the right message at the right time. But how do we get there? Let's break it down. First, understand that AI as infrastructure means it's embedded deeply within your operations. It's not a standalone tool, it's part of your core system. Think of it as the electricity running through your business. You don't notice it until it's not there, but it powers everything you do. Second, automation is leverage, not a shortcut. It's about amplifying your capabilities, not bypassing them. Consider agentic systems that autonomously test variations. This isn't just automation for the sake of it, it's strategic. It's about freeing up your team's time to focus on what truly matters: creative thinking, strategic planning, while the system handles the repetitive, data driven tasks. Let's talk about a real world example. Picture a company that successfully implemented AI in their sales process. Instead of using AI to simply automate emails, they integrated it into their CRM to analyze customer interactions and predict future needs. This allowed their sales team to tailor their approach, increasing conversion rates significantly. They didn't just use AI to send more emails, they used it to send the right emails. Here's another insight. Most people misunderstand AI's role. They think it's about replacing jobs. But in reality, it's about augmenting human capabilities. It's about providing insights that were previously hidden, allowing you to make better, faster decisions. It's about transforming data into actionable intelligence. So, how should you think about implementing AI in your business? Start by identifying areas where decision making is bottlenecked by human limitations. Is it in your customer service, where AI can handle initial queries, freeing up your team for complex issues? Is it in your logistics, where AI can optimize routes and reduce costs? The key is to think strategically about where AI can provide the most leverage. As we wrap up, here's your strategic takeaway. AI and automation are about building systems that work for you, not the other way around. They're about creating a decision architecture that supports your business goals. So, the next time you're considering an AI tool, ask yourself, is this enhancing my decision making process? Is it part of my infrastructure? Or just another tool in the toolbox? And here's your call to action: start viewing AI as an essential part of your business infrastructure. Evaluate your current systems and identify where AI can provide leverage. Remember, the goal is to remove yourself as the bottleneck and let AI do what it does best: process data, provide insights, and enable you to make better decisions. That's it for today's episode. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and remember, AI is your ally, not your adversary. Until next time, keep building those systems that set you free.